DJs today don't need just great music, they need speed, creativity, and tools that can actually keep up. And that's where DJ.Studio changes the game. So whether you're sourcing tracks from your favorite streaming platform or from your own DJ library, DJ.Studio can build full-blown DJ sets and mixes in seconds. And that's not all. DJ.Studio can also help you create mashups and custom DJ edits too.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a shit like your birthday.
I'm burning bridges shore to shore. I break away from something more. I'm not turned on to love until it's cheap.
So in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to make a DJ mix, mashup, and even a DJ edit with DJ.Studio. Creating a DJ mix with DJ.Studio can go in many directions. You can make simple, great sounding mixes with ease.
Let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on!
Or dive into more complex ones using stems, advanced precision styles, and even AI beat gridding. But before we get into the advanced stuff, let's first start with the basics. To create a mix, just go to the main menu and click Create New Mix and select DJ Mix. Now here's one of the best parts about DJ.Studio. You can source your music not only from your own collection or DJ app libraries like Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ, but also from top streaming platforms like these here. For this example, let's tackle importing tracks from Rekordbox DJ. So here, let's select Rekordbox DJ. And as you can see, all our tracks and playlists from Rekordbox DJ are here. So let's check out this playlist and select these tracks. To keep things simple, clicking Harmonize and clicking Playlist Ordering lets us adjust how the mix is ordered, whether we want to prioritize BPM or the keys of the track. In the Transitions tab, we can also choose how each track blends into the next, so we have a variety of transition styles, and by default, it's set to bass swap. Now once you set these parameters, to apply them, just press Harmonize. And now your mix is ordered. Keep in mind you'll still need to choose your own mix-in points for now, but DJ.Studio is working on an update that'll automatically suggest better mix-in points for you. And now let's give this blend a listen. Sounds great, but if you want more control, here's how to manually adjust track order or transitions. So to change the ordering, you can do so as well here. And if you want to change the transition style for each blend, you can do so as well here. Now once you're happy with your overall mix, let's export it. To do so, press Export. Now here's where DJ.Studio gives you options depending on what you need. In this menu, we have a bunch of options. My favorites are Record and DJ Set. Starting with Record, we have a few file type options. And to keep it simple, if you want the best quality, go with WAV or FLAC. If you need something quicker and more lightweight, choose MP3. For me, I usually go with WAV. Now when you're ready, just hit export to save your mix. As for DJ Set, this option lets us export the ordered tracks into a playlist directly into our DJ software. So here, let's click on Rekordbox DJ and press Export. Then, when you open Rekordbox DJ, you'll see the playlist it created, complete with all the tracks, set and ordered exactly the way you arranged them. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's unlock the full creative power of DJ.Studio. Let's get creative and take things to the next level using stems and 3 advanced tools that make using DJ.Studio all the more better. Starting with DJ.Studio stem feature. So from here, you can isolate each stem layer, like vocals, drums, bass, and instruments. And by enabling and disabling specific sections, like vocals and instrumentals, you can make your blend sound even more seamless. So let me give you an example. For this blend, let's isolate the current song's vocals so that it blends smoothly with the next song's instrumental. And that's just a little sample of what using stems can do. There's much more if you explore this feature, and there are even more updates to come to make this even better. Next up, we have my second favorite feature, AI beat gridding. Now, normally when you import a track, everything just works. It's beat matched and blends seamlessly with the rest of your mix. But sometimes we've got tracks in our library that don't have a steady tempo, like old disco songs or certain hip-hop tracks with live drums or tempo shifts. And when you import those types of tracks, DJ Solver often sets the beat grids incorrectly, leading to terrible blends. Luckily, DJ.Studio makes it a super easy fix for those types of tracks. So just head to the beat grid tab and press the AI button. This setting allows the beat grid to automatically adapt to tempo changes within the track, keeping everything in time, even with those tricky rhythms. Now let's move on to the third advanced feature, phrase detection. Just like Rekordbox DJ, DJ.Studio can automatically detect and label different parts of your track, such as intros, verses, choruses, etc. And the great feature here is that you can move and edit phrases directly in the timeline. So let's say this section feels a bit too long. Just right-click the phrase and hit delete. And now it's gone. This is perfect for building tighter edits or rearranging songs to better fit your set. Next up is the Effects Pad Editor, perfect for adding some extra flavor and creativity to your set. So inside the Effects tab, DJ.Studio lets you drag around each effects pad for more expressive dynamic effects. Making a mashup on DJ.Studio is super easy. So from the main menu, press Create New DJ Mix, then select Mashup. So here, we have the master track. This is where your primary track should be placed, with all other samples in the following tracks, using this as a tempo guide. Underneath, you have sample lanes for the other elements of your desired mashup. So to load our tracks, press the Add Tracks button over here and select your source. I'll be selecting Rekordbox DJ, and here, select your tracks. As you can see, even if the other track is natively at a different BPM, DJ.Studio automatically adjusts your other samples to the tempo of your main song. So let's create a quick mashup by using the drop of our main song and the chorus of our sampled song. Here, we'll isolate the vocals of our second track like this. Then drag those vocals to the drop. Since DJ.Studio uses magnetic beat grids, it's much easier to place stem elements on the timeline without going off beat. And now let's hear how this mashup sounds. And on the topic of editing, DJ.Studio also allows you to get creative with making your own DJ edits. To do this, simply highlight a portion of your track and copy it. Then when you're ready, paste it to your desired section. So let me show you how this is possible by creating a simple intro edit. For this example, let's take this song with no intro.
I thought I had it all together, but
Then, let's skip ahead and highlight this section of the track. By right-clicking here, we can isolate the drums of this highlighted section to create a drum track for an intro. We can then loop this section to cover the entire intro section and create our own intro edit. So if you want to expand your DJ skills to record your own DJ mixes on your laptop, make mashups, or your own DJ edits, try out DJ.Studio for free. Check the links down below.